What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be making a more traditional Vietnamese dish, bitter melon with eggs. I hated eating this growing up because of its taste, but as I've gotten older, it has become a more acquired taste and somewhat enjoyable. But the main reason why I eat bitter melon is because of all its health benefits. To name a few, it's packed with important nutrients like vitamins and minerals. It helps reduce blood sugar levels, may have cancer-fighting properties, could decrease cholesterol levels, aid with weight loss, and it's versatile and delicious. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make Vietnamese style bitter melon eggs. You'll need 2 medium to large bitter melon, 1 strand of green onions, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 eggs. For the seasoning, you'll need 1 teaspoon of natural mushroom seasoning, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a dash of black pepper. The first step to making this dish is to cut the ingredients. I'm going to put the ingredients aside and make space on the cutting board. Then I'm going to mince the garlic. Once done, put it to the side to fry it in a bit. Then I'm going to chop the green onions into small pieces about half a centimeter in length. Then work on the bitter melon. To prep the bitter melon, cut it in half vertically along its lines. Once in half, carve out the inside with a spoon. You can also use your fingers. I find this method to be much easier. Now that it's empty inside, slice them into very thin slices. Traditionally, you want to cut them diagonally, but you can also cut them straight down. It doesn't really make much of a difference. Here's what mine looks like. Remember, the thinner the slices, the less dense the bitter taste will be. It'll be more enjoyable this way. On to step 2, frying the ingredients. In a large pan, pour in about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once hot, turn the heat to medium and add in all of the minced garlic. Give it a quick mix, then add in all of the bitter melon. How long you want to leave it in depends on your preference. If you want it to be a bit undercooked, which gives it a nice crunchy texture, cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. And if you want it to be less bitter, have it a little overcooked, but not too much or it'll get soggy. Cook for about 5 minutes. Once you get to your preferred texture, add in the seasoning. The 1 teaspoon of salt, a dash of black pepper, the 1 tablespoon of sugar, and the 1 teaspoon of natural mushroom seasoning. Mix it around, then crack in the 2 eggs. Mix it around to scramble, then turn off the heat. Add in the green onions, and we're done. It's that easy. Give it one last stir, and now on to the last step, which is to plate it and enjoy. This dish is typically a side dish and best served with white rice and a dipping sauce, which consists of soy sauce and crushed Thai chilies. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like to support the channel. It really means a lot. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so for more weekly Vietnamese cooking videos. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a wonderful week. Now, it's your turn to get cooking.